welcome to another daily Kinder Joy unboxing video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to check out some of my older content. I am sure you will like it. Today I'm opening a Kinder Joy for boys. So let's get right into it. What is this? Hey guys, I'm back again. Today we got some watercolor. This is pretty cool. First things first, you just dip it in water. And you dip it in the watercolor. You got some red and start drawing. I'm not good at drawing, so yeah, that's good enough. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to another bonus episode. Today I'm joined with Zuma again. Zuma, go pee pee. Zuma, go pee pee.